Going over Tesla here, and we're also going to be taking a look at unusual whales. We do have an update here from Webull. This is a new price target, 315, a buy recommendation, and again, April 7th here on a Monday of 2025. You can see here the latest insider buying and selling was reported as of the week of March 10th, so that was a while ago. But with this latest update here from Webull, take this with a grain of salt. Price target of 315. Let's go ahead and go straight into Webull here and take a look at Tesla. I'm just going to be sharing with you my opinion. And again, I'm not forcing anyone to buy, sell, or hold. Again, this is just my personal opinion. With the current price here at 234, and we zoom in here to the 4-hourly chart, you can see this morning we hit a low of 214.25. And then we also had that spike all the way up to about 252 based off of the false news of the 90-day pause or delay there for the tariffs. And we confirmed it was false, okay? We pulled back down, and even though it was false, right, this is pretty good because it's causing a lot of the overall market to also have that bit of a spike, right? You can see even if you check out NVIDIA here, we had that high there of 101. So many stocks here running up due to that false news, right? And then just a bit of a pullback, right? But now probably the algorithms are a little bit confused right now, and we are potentially seeing that upside move here for a lot of these stocks here towards the end of today. And so as we're taking a look at Tesla here, I want to go ahead and share my personal opinion in terms of the upside and downside. I do think regardless of the 90-day pause or 90-day delay on the tariffs there, whether it was true or not, the bottom here is, I think, already here for many of these stocks, including Tesla. We've already seen such a dip here for a lot of stocks. And if we zoom out here to the daily chart, right, the time to sell, in my opinion, is not now. The time to sell, if anything, was about a month or 2 months ago, right? We are currently at a dip opportunity, and that's how I'm personally viewing it. And if you want to zoom in here, of course, Tesla here being one of the more higher risk stocks compared to the rest of the Mag 7. We can already tell if we zoom out to the weekly chart, this stock is extremely volatile. I'm going to go ahead and mention it again. Between 250 and 213, that's where I would look to add a bigger position into Tesla. We are currently at this dip opportunity right now, and you can see as fast as things go up and down, they can always reverse just as fast as well, okay? Between 250 and 272, wouldn't mind adding a small position. And again, even if you missed out on this opportunity below 250 or below 272, I still think being below 313, wouldn't mind adding a small position into Tesla. But again, as long as we are below 250, that's where I would look to add a bigger position into Tesla. And I'm just looking to hold long term. I'm not looking for profits here in the short term, right? Of course, this might not just be the bottom just yet. We could potentially drop further. I'm not saying that's impossible or that that's going to happen anytime soon, but just keep in mind the downside from our current price here. We could potentially even retest 213, and that is going to be about an 8% drop from where we're at right now. If you think 213 can't hold, there is going to be this additional support here, and this might be a short-term support at about 203. I really think if we start to trend down towards 203, you might want to be careful of 182 here. This is going to be in the picture, in my opinion. If we get down to about 200, keep in mind 182 could be tested, and that's about a 22% drop from our current price. Again, personally, that's a dip opportunity, and I'd look to add more. I don't mind holding a red bag, especially if I am looking for the long-term outlook for Tesla stock, and I do think the all-time high is going to be tested. But if you want to take a look at the short term, right, if you want to see the potential upside moves from our current prices here, let's go ahead and view it from 233. You have that resistance level at 250 here that I'm waiting for to be tested again. And we did test that this morning, right? That's about a 7 to 8% move, followed by 272, which is going to be the next resistance. That's a 18% move towards the top side. And again, that's from our current price. Eventually, I do think 313 is going to be tested, and I keep reiterating this in every single video I make of Tesla. 313 is a price target I'm personally looking forward to, and of course, anything beyond that is going to be extra. And like I said, 355, 406, these are resistances to watch out for, as well as that all-time high there at 488. You can see the measured move there from our current price, right around 111% move towards the top side. So that's definitely something I'm keeping an eye out for in the long term. You could already see we already had a big sell-off, and we are below the 200 daily moving average. So this is a dip opportunity in my opinion. Eventually, Tesla will be back above the 200 daily moving average. And so that's something to keep an eye out for if you are optimistic for Tesla long term. Let me know down below in the comments what you think as well. Are you short term or long term on Tesla stock? And are you bullish and bearish on the outlook here going into the next couple of months for Tesla stock? Let me know if you are also dollar cost averaging at these levels, or do you think we're going to have a bigger drop and then you have cash on the side waiting to deploy there for that potential 180 or 182 test? If you don't have a community yet for Tesla stock or Tesla community, feel free to join our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join. We have over 32,000 people there, and we also have a dedicated Tesla chat as well. If you are looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, we are having a permanent discount right now, celebrating our 5-year anniversary. If that's something you're interested in, feel free to join our Patreon down below. And again, check out the Patreon, see if there's any available open spots, as we do have a permanent discount promotion going on right now. So check out the link down below for our Patreon, all right? Regardless of that, you can join our Discord. It's free. You can go ahead and come on in, ask questions, and share due diligence. I do share technical analysis there on a daily basis, and if there's any stocks you guys have or want me to go over, feel free to request in the comments down below or in the Discord as well, okay? Thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next video for Tesla, and like always, I make a Tesla video for pretty much every trading day. I'll make an updated analysis for Tesla stock, and sometimes it's some things I'm already reiterating and saying as before in our previous video. But like I said, this is levels that I'm dollar cost averaging in. I think this is a good opportunity, and I'm not saying this is the bottom, and so don't go all in, right? That's just personally what I'm doing. Just looking to add small positions at a time and looking to potentially ride this wave all the way back up to the all-time high at some point, okay?